Bless my fanatics, my folks, my audience. A 303 away. You understand? Big up to everybody who subscribe to the thing. You see me? A lot of time has elapsed. Many moons, many weather, corona, everything. Blessed be to all of you. Family, friends, everything, yeah? Just want to cough up a little thing off of my chest right now, you know? And we just a talk about the whole reggae artists, them. We a talk about the whole musician, them. You know, everything where Bob Marley them left and the elder them left. We are begging people, them, please not dirty it up. You see? Please not dirty it up. Cause look you now. You have to have something that can cleanse you and bless you when things are right. You understand? Everybody do what you do. You understand? Live on a life when you want to live on a life. But don't mix up Rasta and shaky things, yeah? Because I use Rastafari to clean up my life. You understand what I mean, yeah? Yeah. Yeah? Now I stand on a more firm ground because of the meds and philosophy of Rastafari. You understand other people? So, right now, we just try to show the people them out there and the culture say, stay strong. You understand? Just like what Cape Town say, just be strong. You understand what? Wall it out and you understand no man not perfect. You understand what I mean? And you understand? And life's a struggle and not easy. You hear me? But we not sell our soul over blood cleat, money or some agenda where really full culture. You understand? We come from so much from off a plantation and in Sydney. And you look at reggae music, where, you know, one good thing about the music when you hit, we not feel no pain. Everybody can do them thing. Everybody knows say they can make their own choices. You understand? When they come to lead like you and them, they can make their own choices. Everybody can do what they want, in brother. But please, not mix up Rasta in his slackness. Please, please, please. Me always say to some people, you know, you see when you see me mad and cross, and me angry. Yeah? And I Rasta that. You know, see me calm and easy. And I will met a Rasta that. I saw me all the thing. So everybody can do them thing. You know, cause trust me, you know what I mean? Like, when I hear they use the first forward, I hear say this and that go on, it come like say somebody blackmail out Leela anyway. And she have to come out and say sitting, cause sitting go on and you know, people go on like they have people secret and them thing there, you understand? So them like sitting there, but they go on and it come like she delete the post or whatever. So it's take me like a while, you know what I mean? I say I not really trouble people too much or say nothing too much, but just I say, if you all artists them will deal with the thing, you know, deal with the thing like say a sellout thing, yeah? Don't deal with the thing that we're there. Remember say reggae music have to save our soul. You understand what I mean? And have to keep it moving and keep it skanking and you understand free with meds. We're not supposed to mix up Rasta with no kind of slackness. Jaja no star. So you understand cause I from me start meds Rasta proper. You know what I mean? Clean up my life, man, it help me. You understand? So we don't really want you understand? Nobody come and really push out the Rastafari movement. You understand what I mean? So I saw the thing set my people. You understand what I'm saying, yeah? Cause you don't know, you know, I wanna make some of them send over the Empress the music to me and I say, yo, you know, some American men are dancehall artists, them really like it till I listen to the music, you know what I mean? I fall in love with the music away, you see me? So you understand? You know, cause right now, you know, people them say fire now born and this and that, but His Majesty King Selassie himself say, you understand? Just stay up to date with the time. You understand what I mean, yeah? Yeah? Him said that disturb people for them choices. You understand what I mean, yeah? And if you know better, you have to lead by example. I saw the thing said. You understand what I mean? So we don't know where the Empress head the if. You understand? We don't know what going on now. We don't know really fully what going on because we don't, you know, understand? When I get a full interview and she has said booba, booba, and I explain to her really where going on people, fanatics, my folks, me audience, to see how the thing set. You understand? So, you understand? And me no know, no tell me what to think about it. Me no really know what they go on. You understand? And the people them say, oh, Rasta no burn fire. Yo, Rasta never stop burning fire. You understand what I mean? Never stop burning fire. But remember, you know, if you don't want in a sunlight, you know, you can always go under the shade. If you understand what I say. So fire always abundant. The fire is for the purification of the mind, soul, and body. It's not to hurt no one. You understand what I mean? Now, anyone can purge out. Because no man not perfect and everybody make mistake. You understand? And Rastafari philosophy is a proper purging mechanism. But here I know, you know, Benjamin Van, the brother will come from Midnight, said, Ballad with locks come to replace Rasta. You understand? And he said, look at Jack Kingdom. Condolences to him as well, cause pass away. You understand what I mean? You know? You understand? So, you know, it's one of them thing there, you know what I mean? You know, so, you understand? My people, we have to try and maintain our culture. You understand what I mean? Everything can go on, you know. People do whatever they want to do, you know, but we have to maintain that the purity, the little pureness. You know what I mean? We help when our nation was on its face. You understand? Like a pureness, we have some like disciplines and things. What make us Jamaicans, what make us us. You understand what I mean, yeah? But at the end of the day now, you know, and a 95 we are going to force nobody here. Nobody are going to tell nobody how to do this and that. You know what I mean? The world changed. You understand what I mean? So what? 1995 after COVID never there. COVID never there. You understand what I mean? COVID-19 never there here. You understand what I mean? So it show you say it's a different time. Taking it back to the little empress come out and say what she say. And this and that, oh, Rasta now about fire. Listen, no boy can call out Rasta. You understand? You know that Rastafari philosophy saved this whole world from nuclear destruction. You understand? When I tweet attached them, I said they don't want a nuclear war. Because with nuclear war, we won't go far. You understand what I mean, yeah? Yeah? And enough people are talking about Rasta now burn fire. Burn some fire then, no? You understand? Be a better Rasta then, no? Stop pointing a finger upon people. Because when you point finger, enough a point back. Right now? You understand? I just, you know, long, His Majesty did tell us if we organize and centralize. You say if we did organize and centralize, the youth them would have come see a stronger foundation. You understand what I mean, yeah? Would have come and see if anyhow, you understand, the man them from a culture and the woman them from a culture and I follow the philosophy and teach you what the king say, organize and centralize, long time. Then, right now, in the modern time, the youth them wouldn't be selling their soul for material objects. For career, for car, house. You understand anyway, man? I long off of this as in for now. Blessed be to the left on a comment and then sitting there. You understand what I'm saying? Yeah? Left on a comment and tell me what you think about the pint, yeah. You understand? Cause Jah no star, you know what I mean? But me know say Jah will never give the power to the heathen or give the power to the sheathen. You know how much time me make video? And that's why I just say, you know, I mean, even make video no more. I say, you know, it's time when I make video and a consciousness man attack. And people don't even want to hear the thing. But as soon as there's some bullshit, people jump on it. So that's the me I end it. You see me? Blessed be to my 303 fanatics, my folks, my audience, I don't know. You understand? Make me even continue, you see me? And plus, me is a busy individual. Me is a father, me is a son, me is a uncle, me is a busy individual. So, me nah be up my face for no reason. And if me feel like my message is taken for granted, when me post every day for, me know that. I feel like say any video where I and I make have some kind of conscious element in it, so people can watch them over and over again. It's timeless. Because over here, so me nah point my finger upon people. I just give thanks out. All the glory go to the Most High. All the praise go to the Most High. You understand? And some of the people, them, you understand? No? Walla meds, remember, say the Most High grant under the power because a desert did begin. We don't know, I glorify the Most High. You understand? So, in any case, my people, you know what I mean? Cleanliness is godliness, and you don't know full culture say a certain way. You know what I mean? We have certain like, disciplines about us. You know what I mean? A certain culture, the man them have to rap 10 years. In a certain culture, they don't have to. You understand? Yeah? So, every culture have their different cultural difference and things. You understand what I'm saying, yeah? And nobody now go kill nobody if them say, if them are like a Adamite or whatever. Nobody not really business about them sitting there now. Everybody depend on their own thing. If they look after their own life, their own children and them something there. You understand? But people don't want to be confused. Yeah, if you understand what I mean. So the elder them now go want, you know, the youth them think say, it's alright. You understand? When they don't want to confuse up the thing. You understand? Reggae always been a pure form of Jamaican music. Rather than, you know, dancehall more raunchy and more, you know, people dress more naked and then sitting there and more, you know what I mean, for party and them sitting there like almost a beach wear or whatever. But we know say, you know, the dancehall carry the more slack part of the thing. and the reggae carry the more classy things, the message, and the proper emperor and empress them, and the proper leader them always in the field of reggae music. And that's how me I left it, man. You know what I mean? That's how me I left it. And big up on yourself, my people. You understand? We can't tell people what to do, but we can tell them, say, looking at yourself and try and find your own hero, man. You understand? Looking at yourself and try and find your own hero. You understand? I know say people look up to you as well, man. Know say people look up to you, you know. You understand? So when you have people that look up to you, you can't mix up the message and these things. But at the end of the day, who am I to say anything? So when you left in a comment, let me know what I say. And yeah, you understand? Yeah? And more fire for vampire. You see it? Anybody with a bloodsucker, but burn a fire upon them. You understand what I mean? Yeah? You see it? Anyone who tear down the place and mash up the world, you understand? A fire, lava. The fire is not to harm no one. Have to clean them spirit, to help them. You understand? You could have been the worst person. Rasta will find you and help you. You understand what I mean, yeah? The spirit of the Most High is what we call Rastafari move within you. To help to make you clean. Anyway, you know, it's video too long. So, out.